In today's video, I will show why Figma is better designed for designing email templates than Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a great tool for email marketing platform. We can send emails and working with your clients. But when it comes to designing email, Figma is great alternative to Klaviyo. By the end of the video, I will show how to export your email templates from Figma to Klaviyo. The first thing is why Figma is better for designing. It's a sharing and collaborative work. In Figma, you can easily share your file with colleagues or clients to get feedback or work together on the same email campaign. In Klaviyo, you cannot work with anyone. You can work on only one email template by yourself. The second thing is assets and components. As you can see, in Klaviyo, you can create a kind of reusable components on the left sidebar, put it here, but it's hard to, for example, see this component, how it's built, and it's hard to edit this component and then push updates to instance of this component. Figma as a design tool, as a tool built for designing user interfaces, it has great assets library, which you can build and reuse in your email templates. For example, here is a reusable components. You can see all your reusable components all at once, and also you can see these components on left sidebar. And for example, easily to drag and drop your components to your email template. And if you want to, for example, update the logo, let's try to update the logo. Select an instance, go to main component, go to the logo, and let's try to update logo to different, and go back. As you can see, in the whole file, there are new logo, and in your template, new logo. In this way, you can easily update your components and working with your assets. And the next thing is canvas. In Klaviyo, you can work only one template, and it's the only way to see your other email templates, to open it in, for example, a new window. But in the Figma, all your templates can be only one canvas, and you can easily zoom to your template, then zoom out, get another template, put it here, and update. This is why Figma is better for designing email templates. There are some other benefits to using Figma for designing your email templates. Check other video. And now I will show how to export your email template from Figma to Klaviyo. To do so, you have to install plugin called Macro Email Generator plugin. You can find it in Figma store community. Run the plugin, then select your template, go back to Klaviyo, exit. First, you need to get your API key. Let's go to the settings, then API keys, and create new API key. Give some name. Then it's important to click write access to the templates. Then click on the create, copy this key, close, go back to Figma, then click on the preview section here while you're selecting your email template, export, select on this select Klaviyo, add new API key, and then click to export to Klaviyo. And go back to campaigns, to templates, and as you can see, now you have your template from Figma to Klaviyo, and mobile version works too. Here you can edit template or send and use it in your email campaigns. So on the next video, I will show if you have some emails already in your Klaviyo and you want to move it to Figma and you want to try Figma to build your email templates. On the next video, I will show you how to import your templates from Klaviyo to Figma, to edit it in Figma and export back to Klaviyo. Thank you for watching.